In today's video, I will show you step by step how you can fix direct message option not showing on TikTok. So the first thing we need to do, this both works on Android and iPhone. So what we can do is go to our TikTok, and then once we are on our FYP, we can go to our profile, go to the three lines in the top right hand corner, and then select settings and privacy. Once we click on settings and privacy, you want to scroll down until you see the option for report a problem, and then go down to interaction. Click on the drop down menu, and then from here you want to select direct message. Now what this will do is it will give you a list of the most common problems. So as you can see, direct messaging is no longer available. If we click on this, that will then bring us over to here. It will show you obviously the information about it not being available, and then what you want to do is you want to select is your problem solved. Click on no. From here you will then be able to select need more help. And now what we will then be able to do is go over and speak with an agent. So what we can do now is go to interaction, and then you want to select I cannot send or receive direct messages, and then you want to click on submit a ticket. From here what you want to do is you want to describe your problem in the description box right here. So just something really simple like this: hi, direct messaging is not available on my account. Could you please advise and activate direct messaging on my account? Thank you. And what you can do is you can add any photos or videos if you want to do that, and then once you are happy you can click on submit, and then once you click on submit, what will happen is that TikTok will review your ticket and then they will activate direct messaging on your account.